Gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi NJUKI norĩtie antũ kũgwata mbaru gĩthomo kĩenda gũtigĩrĩra nĩ gĩgũkĩra kĩarĩria arutwo bakuru ba cukuru nthaka ya CHUKA na arĩa kinya wathomagira gavana ũcio augĩte arutwo ba nĩbo bombĩkia gũkĩra cukuru ije augĩte kwĩna batubo kadha bwantu kũgwataga mbaru kinya cukuru iria bathomagira na kinya kũthomithia ana baba bara bategũtiomba nĩ mambura njara ya gũkinyĩria arutwo nkabo bakuru ba cukuru ije arabetĩkanĩrĩtie kinya kwagĩrithia cukuru ije kenda ithongo mankuru ki Samuel Gaishma na ripoti ja
mucemanio urawithiranĩtie amwe arutwo ba agumbereni ba cukuru ya nthaka ya CHUKA bari na muoroto wa gutetheria cukuru inu kwimbura miako irayimbitwe na mabati ma muthemba wa asbestos mara atalamu ba maringithanagia na kureta murimo wa kansa. Akiaria kiathoni ku gavana wa kaunti no Muthomi NJUKI urano umwe wa arutwo batene ba cukuru ino na kanitie arugamiri ba macukuru gutumira ruji rwa mbura kuma kiri miako irayimbitwe na mabati ma muthemba wa asbestos kuruga kana kwa aritwa ndethia kana kinya imera.
The thing you should tell your boys is not to take any water from the roof of these buildings. Water harvesting from those buildings is prohibited. Having them is already illegal. Collecting water from those buildings is a crime because that is a direct. It is like drinking poison.
NJUKI na pete macukuru mara marina miako iri na mabati ya muthemba uju miankajiri maigwe makurutaruta mabati ma muthemba uju.
It is a problem that is almost worldwide because Kenya, we have very many old schools in every county that were very senior schools that were built around the same time this school was built that has got asbestos. If you go to CHUKA hospital, CHUKA market, CHUKA gas, it is just asbestos. We are working around the clock as the county government of Tharaka Nithi to remove the CHUKA asbestos. I think at the moment is remaining on one building, the one that used to be called administration block, which we are demolishing next month. Every building in CHUKA hospital that had asbestos is gone. We brought it down, we didn't change the roofing. When we are completing that, which is the next few months, we also wish that all the schools in Tharaka Nithi and extension maybe Meru should not have this roofing material.
Nkruki na kuria aritwa baba batene bairutanirie gutetheria aritwa bakagita ka kurea bichi kenda baraba umite michieta kwebumbira batagita cukuru no ntubo kwaga bichi.
From January to December here in Mr. Gitonga's school, which is CHUKA Mighty, you only need 51,000 for a whole year. 51 multiplied by 4 years is only 204,000. That's what you need to complete school. When I look at most of you here, 51,000, 51 divided by 3, 17. Hakuna mtu wengi watu hapa wakingangana unaweza leta 17,000 per month ya kwenda kufundisha mtoto. It is possible.
We have so many Nindi students. Our community has become Nindi. There's a time that a student is admitted here, they cannot join. As alumni, if you can come up with a bursary kit so that you can support 2, 3 who are very needy so that they conclude school, they shall remember you forever.
Mubunge wa gichigo bunge ya CHUKA Igamba Ng'ombe Patrick Munene ura kurikia thoni kita muchore wa cukuru no amona ura arwagira gitege mubunge wa gichigo kia Mara Hassan Kithinji ura kinyagwe imurito wa tene wa cukuru no ibamweba atongoria baraki nyabo bakurikia thoni iki bagikinyagiria obatubo arito baba batene kwa amataro mamwerekera arito bakagitaka.
Once you get good and smart guys, those who are, we normally call think tanks, and they're sitting down and then they have an idea, I'm in fully support of that. And about the changing the structures, I think I'm there so that we can bring that back image from where it started to move on.
It's not only about the money, but even that image of the school. Even encouraging these boys, wakati wamekuwa wakiona hiyo maneno pia wao wameona what they can become from this school. So this function is not just about bringing money ama infrastructure ama nini, lakini ukiti ya kuona wao unajiuliza kama Dr. Giraitwa alisoma hapa, it means it's possible.
Nkiripotera weru wikendi kuma gichigo bunge ya CHUKA igamba ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.